Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Career Prep. In this video, we'll solve a few syllogism questions where statements of the type only are given. This is one of the topics which requires a bit of practice. So understand the concept well and practice lots of questions of this type. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. Let's first learn the concept of statements of the type only. When statements are of the type only, as in the example, only A or B, understand that it means only A has the right over B. This means that B can have a relation with only A. So, only A or B is nothing but all B are A. Now let's learn how to draw a Venn diagram for only A or B. Now you know that only A or B is nothing but all B are A. So in the Venn diagram, all B should be inside A. You have to shade circle B to show that this all B are A corresponds to the statement only A are B. Now shading circle B also will help you to remind you that B can have a relation with only A. In this question, you are given 4 statements and 3 conclusions. Let's find out which of these conclusions follow from the logic given in these statements. To do that, first we have to draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Now the statements are only mango is apple, no orange is grape, some grape is banana, some banana is mango. So let's draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Only mango is apple. Now only mango is apple means all apple are mango. So in the Venn diagram, all apples should be inside mangoes. Shade the circle for apples to indicate that all apples can have a relation with only mangoes. No orange is grape. Now we'll consider this statement later. Some grape is banana. We'll consider this statement also later. Some banana is mango. So there has to be a partial overlap between banana and mango. Some grape is banana. So there has to be a partial overlap between grape and banana. Now let's look at the second statement. No orange is grape. So draw a circle for orange and draw a line with a cross mark from orange to grape to indicate that no orange is grape. Now this is the basic Venn diagram for the given statements. Now based on this Venn diagram, let's find out which of the given conclusions follow. Conclusion 1. Some apple being banana is a possibility. So in the Venn diagram, you have apples here and bananas here. Clearly, you can see that apples can have relation only with mangoes. Apples will not have any relation with bananas. So the conclusion, some apples being banana is a possibility, is never going to happen. So the conclusion, some apple being banana is a possibility, is wrong. Conclusion 1 does not follow. Conclusion 2. Some grape is mango. So you have grape here and mango here. Clearly you can see that there is no overlap between grape and mango. So the conclusion, some grape is mango, is wrong. Conclusion 2 does not follow. Conclusion 3. Some mango being orange is a possibility. So you have mango here and orange here. Clearly you can see that the relation between mango and orange is not known in this basic diagram. Now also conclusion 3 is a possibility conclusion. So the conclusion some mango being orange is a possibility is treated as correct. Now the logic here is the relation between mango and orange is not known in the basic diagram. So there is a possibility for all types of relations to exist between mangoes and orange. So there is a possibility that some mangoes can be orange. So the conclusion some mango being orange is a possibility is correct. Conclusion 3 follows. Now as you can see here, only conclusion 3 follows. So the correct answer is option B, only conclusion 3 follows. In this question, you are given 3 statements and 2 conclusions. Let's find out which of these conclusions follow from the logic given in these statements. The statements are no stool is bed, only table is chair, some bed is table. Now let's draw a Venn diagram for these statements. No stool is bed. So in the Venn diagram, draw a circle for stool and a circle for bed. Draw a line with a cross mark from stool to bed to indicate that no stool is bed. Only table is chair. We'll consider this statement later. Some bed is table. This means there has to be a partial overlap between bed and table. Let's look at the second statement now. Only table is chair. Now you know that the statement only table is chair is nothing but all chair are table. So in the Venn diagram, all chairs should be inside table. Shade the circle for chair to indicate that chairs can have a relation with only tables. Now this is the basic diagram for the given statements. Now based on this basic Venn diagram, let's see which of the given conclusions follow. Conclusion 1. No chair is bed. So you have chair here and bed here. Clearly you can see that chair can have a relation with only tables. Chair will not have any relation with bed. So the conclusion no chair is bed is correct. Conclusion 1 follows. Conclusion 2. All tables being stool is a possibility. So you have tables here and stool here. Now as you can see, all chair is inside tables and chairs can have a relation only with tables. Chair will not have a relation with stool. So if all tables become should have a relation with stool, then it will mean that chairs also should have a relation with stool, which is never going to happen. So all tables can never become stools. So the conclusion all table being stools is a possibility is wrong. Conclusion 2 does not follow. Now as you can see here, only conclusion 1 follows. So the correct answer is option A, only conclusion 1 follows. In this question, you are given 3 statements and 2 conclusions. Let's find out which of these conclusions follow from the logic given in these statements. To do that, first we have to draw a Venn diagram for these statements. The statements are only computer is a monitor, some laptop is computer, no keyboard is laptop. So first let's draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Only computer is monitor. Now you know that only computer is monitor means all monitor are computer. So when you draw the Venn diagram for only computer is monitor, you have to consider this statement. So all monitor are computer. So in the Venn diagram, all monitor should be inside computer. Some laptop is computer. So in the Venn diagram, there has to be a partial overlap between laptop and computer. No keyboard is laptop. So draw a circle for keyboard and draw a line with a cross mark from keyboard to laptop to indicate that no keyboard is laptop. Now this is the basic Venn diagram for the given statements. Now based on this Venn diagram, let's find out which of the given conclusions follow. Conclusion 1. No monitor is laptop. So you have monitor here and laptop here. Clearly you can see that monitors can have a relation with only computers. Monitors will not have any relation with laptop. So the conclusion, no monitor is laptop, is correct. Conclusion 1 follows. Conclusion 2. All computers being keyboard is a possibility. So you have computers here and keyboards here. Clearly you can see here that all monitors is inside computers, and monitors can have a relation with only computers. Monitors will not have any relation with keyboards. Now, if all computers should have a relation with keyboard, then it obviously means that all monitors which are inside computers should also have a relation with keyboards. Now, this is never going to happen because monitors will never have a relation with keyboards. So, clearly now computers also cannot have any relation with keyboards. So the conclusion, all computers being keyboard is a possibility, is wrong. Conclusion 2 does not follow. Now as you can see here, only conclusion 1 follows. So the correct answer is option A, only conclusion 1 follows. In this question, you are given 3 statements and 2 conclusions. Let's find out which of these given conclusions follow from the logic given in these statements. To do that, first we have to draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Now the statements are only black is white, some black is red, only red is pink. So now let's draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Only black is white. Now you know that only black is white is nothing but all white are black. So in the Venn diagram, all white has to be inside black. Shade the circle for white to indicate that white can have a relation with only black. Some black is red. This means there has to be a partial overlap between black and red in the Venn diagram. Only red is pink. Now you know that only red is pink is nothing but all pink are red. So in the Venn diagram, all pink has to be inside red. Shade the circle for pink to show that pink can have a relation with only red. Now this is the basic Venn diagram for the given statements. Now based on this Venn diagram, let's find out which of the given conclusions follow. Conclusion 1. Some black being pink is a possibility. So you have black here and pink here in the Venn diagram. Now as you can see here clearly, pink will have a relation with only red. Pink will not have any relation with black. So some black being pink is never going to happen. So the conclusion, some black being pink is a possibility, is wrong. Conclusion 1 does not follow. Conclusion 2. No red is white. So you have red here and white here. As you can see here clearly, white will have a relation with only black. white will not have any relation with red. So the conclusion no red is white is correct. Conclusion 2 is correct and conclusion 2 follows. Now as you can see here, only conclusion 2 follows. So the correct answer is option B, only conclusion 2 follows. In this question, you are given 3 statements and 2 conclusions. Let's find out which of these conclusions follow from the logic given in these statements. To do that, first we have to draw a Venn diagram for these statements. So first let's look at the statements. The statements are no gas is fluid, only fluid is liquid, some solid is fluid. So now let's draw a Venn diagram for these statements. No gas is fluid. So in the Venn diagram, draw a circle for gas and a circle for fluid. Draw a line with a cross mark from gas to fluid to indicate that no gas is fluid. Only fluid is liquid. Now you know that only fluid is liquid is nothing but all liquid are fluid. So in the Venn diagram, all liquid should be inside fluid. Shade the circle for liquid to show that liquid can have a relation with only fluid. Some solid is fluid. So there has to be a partial overlap between solid and fluid in the Venn diagram. Now this is the basic Venn diagram for the given statements. Now based on this Venn diagram, let's find out which of the given conclusions follow. Conclusion 1. Some liquid being gas is a possibility. So you have liquid here and gas here in the Venn diagram. Clearly you can see here that liquid will have a relation with only fluids. Liquid will not have any relation with gas. So some liquid being gas is never going to happen. So the conclusion some liquid being gas is a possibility is wrong. Conclusion 1 does not follow. Conclusion 2. No solid is liquid. So you have solid here and liquid here. As you can see, liquid will have a relation with only fluid. Liquid will not have any relation with solid. This means no solid is liquid. So the conclusion no solid is liquid is correct. Conclusion 2 follows. Now as you can see, only conclusion 2 follows. So the correct answer is option B, only conclusion 2 follows. In this question, you are given 3 statements and 2 conclusions. Let's find out which of these conclusions follow from the logic given in these statements. To do that, first we have to draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Now the statements are only country is state, no continent is country, all continent is village. So let's draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Only country is state. Now only country is state means all state are country. Now when you're drawing a Venn diagram for the statement only country is state, always consider this statement all state are country. So in the Venn diagram all state should be inside country. Shade the circle for state. Shade the circle for state to show that state can have a relation with only country. No continent is country. So draw a circle for continent and draw a line with a cross mark from continent to country to indicate that no continent is country. All continent is village. So in the Venn diagram, all continent should be inside village. Now this is the basic Venn diagram for the given statements. Now, based on this Venn diagram, let's find out which of the given conclusions follow. Conclusion 1. Some village being country is a possibility. So in this Venn diagram, you have village here and country here. Now clearly you can see here that this portion of village is continent, and continent cannot have any relation with country. Now conclusion 1 says some village being country is a possibility. Now for that to happen, we have to consider this portion of village. Now this portion of village is the uncertain portion of village. Now here, since we are considering the uncertain portion of village, and since conclusion 1 is a possibility conclusion, the conclusion some village being country is a possibility is treated as correct. Now, the logic here is that uh, here we are considering the uncertain portion of village. Now, the uncertain portion of village does not give us any indication of whether this portion of village can be contained within continent or not. So, this gives rise to two possibilities. This portion of village can be contained within continent, or this portion of village cannot be contained within continent. Now, if this portion of village cannot be contained within continent, then this portion of village can have a relation with country, because there is no restriction between this portion of village and country. So some village can be country. So the conclusion some village being country is a possibility is correct. Conclusion 1 follows. Conclusion 2. No state is continent. So you have state here and continent here. Clearly you can see here that state can have a relation with only country. State will not have any relation with continent. So the conclusion no state is continent is correct. Conclusion 2 follows. Now as you can see here, conclusion 1 follows, conclusion 2 follows. So the correct answer is option D. Both conclusions 1 and 2 follow. In this question, you're given three statements and two conclusions. Let's find out which of these conclusions follow from the logic given in these statements. To do that, first we have to draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Now the statements are some month is day, only day is week, no year is month. So let's draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Some month is day. This means there has to be a partial overlap of month with day in the Venn diagram. Only day is week. Now you know that only day is week is nothing but all week are day. So in the Venn diagram, all week has to be inside day. Shade the circle for week to show that week can have a relation with only day. No year is month. So draw a circle for year in the Venn diagram and draw a straight line with a cross mark from year to month to indicate that no year is a month. Now this is the basic Venn diagram for the given statements. Now based on this Venn diagram, let's find out which of the given conclusions follow. Conclusion 1. No month is week. So you have month here and week here in the Venn diagram. Clearly you can see here that week can have a relation with only day. Week will not have any relation with month. This means no month can be week. So the conclusion no month is week is correct. Conclusion 1 follows. Conclusion 2. Some day is year. So you have day here and year here. Clearly you can see that there is no overlap between day and year. So some day is year is wrong. Conclusion 2. does not follow. Now, as you can see here, only conclusion 1 follows. So, the correct answer is option A, only conclusion 1 follows. In this question, you are given 3 statements and 2 conclusions. Let's find out which of these conclusions follow from the logic given in these statements. To do that, first we have to draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Now the statements are some girl is boy, all boy is man, only man is lady. So now let's draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Some girl is boy. This means in the Venn diagram there has to be a partial overlap between girl and boy. All boy is man. This means all boys should be inside man. Only man is lady. Now you know that only man is lady is nothing but all lady are man. So all lady has to be inside man. Shade the circle for lady to show that lady can have a relation with only man. Now this is the basic Venn diagram for the given statements. Now based on this Venn diagram, let's find out which of the given conclusions follow. Conclusion 1. No boy is lady. So you have boy here and lady here. Clearly you can see that lady can have a relation with only man. Lady will not have any relation with boy. So no boy can be a lady. So the conclusion no boy is lady is correct. Conclusion 1 follows. Conclusion 2. Some girl is man. So you have girl here and man here. Clearly you can see that there's a partial overlap between girl and man. So this means that this portion of girls is man. That is, some girls are man. So the conclusion some girl is man is correct. Conclusion 2 follows. Now as you can see here, conclusion 1 follows, conclusion 2 follows. So the correct answer is option D. Both conclusions 1 and 2 follow. In this question, you are given 3 statements and 2 conclusions. Now let's find out which of these given conclusions follow the logic given in these statements. To do that, first we have to draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Now the statements are some blouse is pant, only pant is shirt, no coat is pant. So let's draw a Venn diagram for these statements. Some blouse is pant. This means in the Venn diagram there has to be a partial overlap between blouse and pant. Only pant is shirt. Now you know that only pant is shirt is nothing but all shirts are pant. So in the Venn diagram, all shirt should be inside pant. Shade the circle for shirt to show that shirt can have a relation with only pant. No coat is pant. So draw a circle for coat in the Venn diagram and draw a line with a cross mark from coat to pant to indicate that no coat is pant. Now this is the basic Venn diagram for the given statements. Now based on this Venn diagram, let's find out which of the given conclusions follow. Conclusion 1. Some blouse is shirt. So in the Venn diagram, you have blouse here and shirt here. Clearly you can see that there is no overlap between blouse and shirt. So the conclusion some blouse is shirt is wrong. Also, you can see in this Venn diagram that shirt can have a relation with only pants. Shirt will not have any relation with blouse. This means that blouse cannot be shirts. So the conclusion some blouse is shirt is wrong. Conclusion 1 does not follow. Conclusion 2. No coat is blouse. So you have coat here and blouse here. Now as you can see in this Venn diagram, coat cannot have any relation with pant. Now this portion of blouse is inside pants. So this means that since coat cannot have any relation with pants, coat cannot have any relation with this portion of blouse also. But there is no restriction for coat to have a relation with this portion of blouse. So coat can have a relation with this portion of blouse. So the conclusion, no coat is blouse, is wrong. Conclusion 2 does not follow. Now as you can see, conclusion 1 does not follow, conclusion 2 does not follow. So the correct answer is option C, neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. Viewers, please go through this video till you have understood the concept clearly. Practice more such problems to increase your speed and also to be perfect with the concept of Venn diagrams, definite conclusions, possibility conclusions, and statements of the type only. Please do watch a video for solved problems on statements of the type only a few. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.